What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I gotta say, I'm sorry for being a terrible YouTuber lately. I've been very busy with work, so I just wanted to apologize for that. Today I have a vlog for you guys. We are going to the Porsche dealership in Charlotte, North Carolina to look at some Porsches, and it is a show there, so we'll see a lot of cool stuff, a lot of BMWs. I'm on the way to Hickory right now to meet Parker and David. We finally get to see Parker and David again. It's been a while since I got to hang out with my boys. So anyways, let's get right into it.
I woke up and I just opened TikTok, and the first thing I saw was your video, and I'm not good at the comments, and one was like, that wing is not it, take that wing off.
Which video?
Like, here, let me show you. I commented, take the wing off too. Why
you do that, man? You encourage people.
Hold on. It's probably still up because I was laughing my ass off at it. Oh, here it is.
You need to get off my Bro, where's Parker at?
He's in jail.
Dude, did he really just get a ticket?
I don't think he got a ticket. I think he just got pulled over. Hopefully he'll get him a warning. 9 over. Parker said I'm laughing. Dude, I've gotten pulled over for like 34 over. And like gotten away with it from a trooper.
I've been to jail before.
Yeah.
E36 speeding ticket.
Did you get a ticket this morning?
No.
I did.
That's so lame, dude.
Oh.
9 over?
White, male. Social security number.
Yo, what's that? Let me see that.
I didn't even start the vlog. Next thing you know, I pull out. All right, guys, I'm getting pulled over right now. I handed him this at first. This right here. Because I thought it was the registration.
If anybody currently doesn't know Crest, this is his Croatian breakfast right here.
Hey, I don't make the rules, man. Like,
When was the last time you vlogged?
It's been a while, dude.
Really?
I haven't made a YouTube video in a long time.
I made that one on the intakes and it got like 200 views.
That's insane. Alright, everybody, we made it to Porsche of Charlotte.
Uncle Greg! Uncle Greg!
What up, Aunt?
Uncle Greg!
Hey,
What are you doing, man?
I got pulled over this morning.
You're gay. Yeah, only gay people get pulled over.
Oh, shit. Check it out, guys. We made our own parking. Hopefully we don't get towed. Mine? Yeah, it's always for sale. Mr. John Thickwhip with the new wheels. Oh my God. Holy shit. New wheels look sick, man.
Like an hour and a half.
How are you?
Good to see you, buddy.
Oh.
How are things?
Good. Good. Yo.
Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.
Everybody.
We're meeting at our friend David.
How are you? What is bro talking about?
Talking about these awesome, what is it, sunset orange? Is that the color?
That M2?
Two of them in the same place, one over there behind me too.
That's a good color. Oh, this color is insane. You guys know how I feel about my light blues. I love light blue colored cars. Oh man, check out this spec, guys. White on gold looks so good. The 992 was so perfect.
I get a Sprite.
Yeah, if he doesn't get something, if he doesn't get some sugar in him, he's gonna start cussing people out.
Food you have today, Pumpkin?
Check out the G-Wagon, guys. Holy. I don't know what it is about these, I just love them. Check it out, guys. I got new parking finally. All right, guys, tell me what you think about this. This is pretty insane. Very different. The interior's crazy too. A 911 Dakar. I've never heard of that. It's insane though. Guys, check out the orange on gold with the carbon roof. Wow. I love a GT3 so much. Like, I don't even have to have the RS, but I want one day. They made the RS so much crazier than just the regular GT3 this time. I feel like in the 991.2, it's pretty much just a little bit crazier, but now the 992 compared to the 992 GT3 is so much crazier. The active aero and stuff. You're gonna have to get really wealthy to get one of those, and it even makes sense. To all the wing haters, that's the same wing. That's the same wing that I have. So fuck you guys. It does look good on a coupe
Take
though.
the wing off. Dude, take the wing off.
If you comment that on my shit, you're encouraging people. Lower your car more, David.
Get a V6 shell.
Lower your car more. Guys, the details on this E92 are insane. Look at this carbon, and I don't know what it is, but the clear coat has like the same kind of
little sparkles.
Sparkles like the car.
No shit.
Are you getting home today?
A lot of carbon.
Yeah, he must have done a custom metallic clear coat.
Yeah, he had to have. It looks.
He has it on the front lip too, dude.
Holy crap, dude! He's got it on the roof.
Yep, that's re-cleared.
Holy crap,
The
dude!
front lip has it
Dude,
too.
look at the carbon on this stuff.
It's all metallic.
And look, it's got it on the roof.
Hear me out.
That looks sick.
I want all of y'all to hear me out. What if I got these fenders for the F80 and paint matched the carbon?
Oh yeah, that's a beautiful spec. That's Brink's M4, but in a Porsche. Literally,
With
look.
silver wheels.
Yep, looks great. Hey, Alex, is that you? All right, guys, we're walking up to Lamborghini of Charlotte now. They're having a show as well, which Parker's got beef with them. I don't know what it is.
They made me park in the back.
Oh, he didn't get
exotic.
He didn't get special treatment and was like, fuck these people.
They didn't set him a free exhaust.
They didn't recognize E36 Parker. Come on now.
No, but the only reason why I was mad is because they were like stock, like M5s in there.
There was a base model C6
Yeah.
and a V6 F-Type.
Yeah, I was like,
This should have thrown in like a few packs of sense for you.
yeah,
Oh man. Well, anyways, maybe we'll see something cool there. I hope you guys like the cars at the Porsche dealership. Some pretty cool stuff.
Did you not see all the SVJs
Dealership
going by?
shows are kind of, I don't know, it's like, it doesn't feel the same to see a car at a dealership as it does in the wild, I guess.
Alright, I'm ready to go fuck Lamborghini of Charlotte.
We just got here, dude.
Yeah, I know. They're fucking assholes.
The white on red. White on red looks so good. Check out the SVJ, guys. black and red is just forever. Good combo. This is more like a dark silver, but it looks black in some light. That shit's rich right there. What are you thinking, man?
I hate this show.
This STO right here. Look at the wing.
It looks so good.
Yeah. It's freaking gorgeous, dude. I think it looks better than the Aventador. Look at the louvers and shit.
It looks sick.
That fin. This is a crazy color scheme right here. With the carbon bits on it, dude. So I think we're all car showed out. We're about to go hit something to eat. About to hit a little restaurant or something. Then we're gonna go back to Hickory and probably get Parker's F80 out. All right, everybody, so we finally made it back. I haven't been a very good vlogger today, but we're going over to Empowered with Parker's car to get his Valvetronic exhaust all buttoned up. I can't wait to hear it in person. F80, E90 wagon, F80, F80. Yo, there's Jared.
What you doing?
Where's the F80 at?
That's in the garage.
Is it? What are you getting done to it now?
I got tips coming in,
Ooh.
and I had a new steering wheel.
Oh, a new steering wheel. Hell yeah, dude. Empowered is packed out. Brock doing his job.
Always, baby.
245, 35s on them.
Look what we got in here, guys. We got the freaking 1M.
Come back.
It's crazy. You don't see these a lot.
We won every game I've been at.
No, I ain't touching that.
Pick it up with one hand.
Get dirty hands. Why are you telling me to work today? Oh, well, it actually isn't heavy. Or maybe Caden's just strong, dude. I was training.
Hit the gym the other day.
Krapovich.
Akrapovich. I always thought it was Akrapovic. It's Krapovich. A cock and a bitch. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like it's coming from here.
Rubbing right here. On mine.
Does it make vibration?
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it depends like if you're on a hill too, or if you have more people on the back.
Bro is happy now.
Yeah.
You can hear the turbo so good.
I am too.
I thought it was gonna be way louder, like all the time.
No, it sounds good. All right, guys, we got to get some sound clips with the Valvetronic exhaust. Valvetronic, if you're watching this, I do need an exhaust for the F80. I just have an equal length right now. I would love to have a full exhaust though. That sounds so good.